Here today I have come to the Chinese immigration office where if you want to apply for the business visa or if you want to apply for the working visa, you have to come here, you have to visit here. Here you can see the place. This is the temporary place right now. The place has been changed. This is a temporary place. Another permanent place is under construction right now. As you can see, people here. These machines, these machines are for the Chinese people. As you can see, they are operating it. Here you can see the rush. How much rush is here? Here you can see the foreign people who came with their Chinese agent for to submit their application for visa or residence permit. Here you can see the counter and the waiting list and the waiting number. You can see. And these are the people standing in the line to collect their passport. They have come to collect their passport. Here you can see all the foreigners are in the queue. And look at that table. They have posted a format. What kind of format they accept. So what you have to do is just to copy their format. And one more invention I have seen here in Chinese immigration office. Here you can see the machine and the passport of the Chinese people. You can see the Chinese applicant might have submit their passport for visa or whatever purpose. As you can see, she is putting their passport in the machine. So the Chinese applicant will come, they will submit their IDs and put their required details in the machine to collect the passport.